Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone alarm sound problem. Let's get started. First, open the clock app and tap alarm, then select your alarm and make sure a sound is chosen. Next, go to settings, then sound and haptics and turn up ringtone and alert volume. Also turn change with buttons off. Check the silent switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure it's not on silent. Then scroll down at the top right of your screen. Then ensure that do not disturb or focus mode are turned off. Finally, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.